Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about W's contest where you can unleash your creativity and make amazing content with which you will be able to win hard cash. So without further ado, let's get started. So, the W's contest is all about creativity, and it doesn't matter how many followers you have, you just have to be creative and make any form or mode of content, and you can upload it on any social media platform, whether it be Reddit, X, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. Along with, there is no restriction for language, and it is highly advisable for you to make the content in your native language. So, let's talk about what will you get. The total prize pool is of $15,000 plus 550 million W coins. So the first place you will get 3,000 US dollars and 1000 million W coin, 100 million W coins. And the second place is 2000 hard cash along with 50 million W coin. Following third place with $1,000 plus 20 million W coins. And fourth till 10th place, you have $450 plus 10 million W coins. 11 till 50, you have $100 plus 5 million W coins. And from 51 till 100, you will get $40 each plus 2 million W coins. To maximize your chances of winning, what you have to do is be creative. You can make memes, graffiti, YouTube videos, or educational videos, a skit, whatever you feel like, but it has to be a quality content which makes it different and apart from all the other video submission or all the other contest submissions. So you have the highest chance of winning this contest. So the contest starts from 15th of June and it is till 7th of July. So you still have some time for yourself to make great content and maybe you can win. So I have added the Telegram bot link of WCoin in the description below. So basically this is like a normal tap to earn bot, but there's a catch. They have like multiple tasks with which you can easily enhance your earning of tokens. So you will enjoy playing this game as well. Along with, there's a chance to earn an airdrop, along with you can earn hard cash by participating in the contest. I have high hopes for this project, so don't lag behind and make some crazy content. Thanks for watching.